ron sa Kitty Hawk, Kill Devil Hills, the first flight kung asa gipalupad ang unang eroplanong gi-invent ni Orville o ni Wright
Wilbur
and Orville Wright. There you go.
Okay, you are wrong. They are right. Okay, and we're going up.
We're going up. And we're gonna see the first flight. No, not the first flight. The place where the first flight is. Or what?
Kana. Unsa man na?
That's the monument. I think they performed thousands of experiments here, but I think this is where they discovered the 3 major axes of control.
Char!
And that's what I read.
Can you explain the 3
No.
Char XX of aviation?
No.
Hangak actually. What? Oh my gosh, battery low na ko. Sige, sign off muna tayo for now. Sign off. Bye-bye muna.